Hey guys, me and Jaleek from Magic's Creative Adventures, and today I'm going to be opening some of my presents. And I have first, I got this Touchland, so we're going to open it. And we're going to see which smells. She's going to smell it first.
You put it.
Just a little bit.
I can't smell it.
Okay. You can't smell that? It smells good. It smells like...
Oh, it smells like
It smells like
when you put up a Christmas tree.
like this. Like gingerbread. Kind of, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it smells like gingerbread. Oh my god, it actually doesn't smell that bad. Like, I usually hate ginger, that smell.
Oh.
But it smells good. Like, I actually
Yeah,
love
that
that.
smells good.
And then I got these EOS. And then I got this Sol de Janeiro 76. Smells like
It smells like
Lily, no kidding. Like, it smells like my favorite. My favorite. I don't care. My favorite. It's like my favorite. This one, I don't know where I'm gonna put it. And then I'm gonna put it out. Right there. So yeah, that's, and then I'm gonna open this one. Actually, I'm gonna eat some of these. They're good. This is like nothing. I love nothing. So this is like Juicy Couture lip glosses. Let's see, two. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Okay, so we're gonna open it.
Yeah, we already opened it.
Yeah.
Okay,
This
let's see.
is
We have blue, we
Wait.
have purple, we
We
have
have blue, purple, pink, orange, and pink.
and light pink. This is
Bro.
my favorite color. And this.
Wait, bro, I'm looking at it. So
Wait.
first is this one.
We're gonna smell it.
Smell it.
Okay.
Mmm. Ew, don't put up your nose. Smells good. Okay.
Don't say anything because
I can't stop eating this. I got a son.